Welcome to Psychology Pub. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. When you think of cloves, the image of red bandanas or red cookies comes to mind. But did you know that this spice also has medicinal properties? Yes, cloves are not just for cooking. These tiny wonders have many hidden benefits for your health. Cloves are one of the essential oils with the highest concentration of eugenol, which is a type of phenolic acid known as an excellent antiseptic and analgesic agent. In simpler terms, that means cloves have fantastic antibacterial properties. They can help relieve congestion and have been used to prevent colds and flu by keeping these germs at bay. Cloves also boost anti-inflammatory properties as well as detoxifying effects on the body. Today, we're going to talk about the 9 health benefits of cloves. Cloves are one of the oldest and most aromatic spices. They come from the flower buds of tropical evergreen trees native to Indonesia and other parts of Asia, particularly the Indian subcontinent and coastal Sri Lanka. Its name comes from the Latin word clavis, which means nail. Cloves have a very rich and pungent flavor that makes them a perfect addition to mulled wine, cider, pickling, and sauerkraut. This spice also has many health benefits, particularly when it comes to fighting colds, improving dental health, and relieving menstrual cramps. Help relieve congestion. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a phenolic acid that is effective at reducing the buildup of mucus. This makes cloves a wonderful essential oil for treating colds and allergies. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make it an excellent option for reducing swelling in the nasal passages. Cloves are also a natural expectorant that can help break up excess phlegm, making them an effective treatment for congestion. Cloves can also be used to help relieve headaches and migraines caused by excess mucus buildup in the brain and sinuses. Simply apply clove oil to your temples, forehead, or the back of your neck. May treat cough and throat infections. Cloves can help relieve a cough and treat the cause of a sore throat. Excessive mucus buildup in the throat from a cold or allergies. So why is it that clove oil works to treat these 2 common ailments? The phenolic acid, eugenol, in cloves has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help remove excess mucus from the throat, making it easier to cough up. Clove oil also contains natural antibacterial properties, making it a useful home remedy for treating coughs and throat infections caused by bacteria. Clove oil has also been known to kill off the bacteria responsible for causing strep throat. Can help fight off cold and flu viruses. Clove oil also has antiviral properties, so it can be used to prevent and treat a variety of viral infections. This includes preventing and treating cold and flu viruses. Clove oil works to inhibit the growth of many viruses, including the common cold, influenza, SARS, and herpes. This potent essential oil can also help treat these viruses by reducing the duration and severity of the infections. Clove oil can be used in various ways to prevent and treat cold and flu viruses, such as applying clove oil to the affected areas of the skin to reduce the swelling and pain caused by these viruses, adding a few drops of this essential oil to hot water and breathing in the vapor to ease a cough and reduce the pain and other symptoms of these viruses, drinking clove tea to help prevent infections. May have anti-cancer benefits. Cloves have been studied for their potential anti-cancer benefits. In particular, researchers have looked at cloves' potential to treat colorectal cancer. Although more studies are needed to confirm these findings, the potential health benefits of cloves are worth noting. If you want to get the most out of cloves, try to consume them in their whole form. Sprinkling cloves on your food or chewing on them can help you get the most benefits from this potent spice. When you use cloves, make sure you go beyond just putting them on your food. The best way to get the most out of this spice is to eat the cloves themselves. Chewing on cloves is a great way to reduce stress, fight decay in your teeth, and get many other benefits. According to research, you can also use cloves to fight high blood pressure, ease arthritis pain, and reduce symptoms of PMS. Cloves also have anti-inflammatory properties. Many people in Eastern Europe use cloves to reduce swelling from injuries or other medical conditions. It promotes dental health. Cloves are a great choice for promoting oral health. It contains eugenol, a phenolic acid that has antibacterial properties that can fight off harmful bacteria in the mouth, such as Streptococcus mutans, the bacteria that causes tooth decay. Clove oil can also be used to clean and disinfect your teeth and gums. Simply add a few drops of clove oil to a toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally would. Clove oil can be used in many other ways to promote dental health, such as rubbing clove oil on your gums to reduce swelling and promote healing, chewing on cloves to fight bad breath and tooth decay. Applying clove oil to the gums relieves pain and discomfort associated with oral health problems. May ease menstrual cramps. Cloves have been used for centuries to ease menstrual cramps. A study published in the Internal Journal of Pharma and Biosciences found that clove oil can help with menstrual cramps, particularly the pain caused by spasms in the uterus. The anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic compounds found in clove oil are believed to be responsible for easing menstrual cramps. To use clove oil to ease menstrual cramps, try adding a few drops to a warm bath or putting a towel drenched with the essential oil on your lower abdomen. You can also chew on a fresh clove to get the same pain-relieving effect. May help improve digestion. Clove oil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria and fungi in the digestive tract. Clove oil can also help stimulate the flow of bile in the digestive tract, which helps break down food and aid in digestion. Clove oil can be an effective treatment for both minor and serious digestive problems, such as dyspepsia, a condition that causes bloating and discomfort in the upper abdomen, dysentery, an infectious diarrheal disease, gastrointestinal infections caused by harmful bacteria or fungi in the digestive tract. Conclusion: cloves have many health benefits. They can help relieve congestion, treat cough and throat infections, and fight off cold and flu viruses. They can also reduce inflammation, ease pain, and ease symptoms of allergies by reducing histamine production. They can even help with weight loss and blood sugar control. Cloves can also have anti-cancer benefits, promote dental health, ease menstrual cramps, and help improve digestion. These benefits make cloves a wonderful spice that is worth adding to your diet. Thanks so much for joining us on Psychology Pub. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos.